Hello everyone, welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Myself Batul Sheikh from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, which is running under Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. Children who are keeping us safe in our country, yes, you are thinking right, are soldiers. Children who are saving us from the enemies in all over the world. So, yes, they are our soldiers. Our soldiers sacrifices everything for us to save the country, to save the nation. Children, tell me one thing, when you are doing something good, when you does something extraordinary in the classroom, what your teacher does? So, when you do something good, something extraordinary in your class, maybe your teacher appreciate you. Sometimes she says you good and sometimes she make the class clap for you. In the same manner, children, when our soldiers, they are doing good deed, they are doing something which is very, very extraordinary, which is very courageous. So what we are feeling proud on them. And what our government does, our government, they are honored them with the medals. So today we are going to learn very interesting lesson 1.7, Paramveer Chakra are heroes. In today's lesson, children, we will come to know it is a kind of medal, highest military medal, which the government honored the soldiers who are doing some which is very extraordinary. So in today's lesson, children, we will get the answers of the question like what is Paramveer Chakra, who had designed this, and how the Paramveer Chakra orientated. Now get ready with your textbook and open the page number 20. Right? First we will do the reading, then we will go for the explanation. So children, page number 20, pay attention in your textbook. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. So here legendary means very famous. So children, you may have heard about the people, those had done something extraordinary, something good, even in the past. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. So, you may have heard about the stories of the past. Even today, children, today also our soldiers, they are fighting on the border with the enemies and they are sacrificing their life. For whom? To us only. Their brave deeds are honored by the bestowing military decoration on them. Bestowing means here presenting. So what the government is doing? Government is presenting bestowing to them, to the soldiers, by the honored. So today we are going to learn about the honored. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. Paramveer Chakra, it is India's military highest decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor. Valor means here, conspicuous means here outstanding, valor means here great courage. In the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. So, Paramveer Chakra is a kind of decoration, kind of medal which is given to the soldiers. Those are doing very outstanding, very great deed and very good, and even they sacrifices for who sacrifices their life to save the country in the presence of enemy, either on land or in the air or in the sea. Children, if you will see the form of the military in our country, India, so you will come to know there are three forms, right? One, the military, the soldier, those are fighting on the land surface are called land military, right? Land soldiers. Even our soldiers, they are also fighting in the sea, in the ocean. So they are called navy military forms. And the last but not the least, the air forces, the soldiers, those are fighting in the air with the aircraft, are called the aircraft military force. So we are having 3 military force in our country. Now third paragraph, children. The Paramveer Chakra is the very rare honor. It is very, very rare, uncommon. It is not very common, very rare military, very rare soldiers are getting this honor. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. How many times, children? Only 21 times, means only 20 till now. Only 21 soldiers had got the Paramveer Chakra. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Posthumously means here, the word posthumously means after the death. So 21 among the 21, 14 soldiers, militants had got this Paramveer Chakra after their death. So children, in this way we got the answer what is Paramveer Chakra. Now in second paragraph, left side of your textbook, we will come to know what is the appearance of Paramveer Chakra and who had designed this. Let's see. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is very, very simple in look, in appearance. It is made of bronze. Bronze is a kind of metal like silver and gold. Bronze is also a kind of metal. And it is fitted with civil mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Civil mounting means here it is a made and fitted like that, which can be moved freely round. And the medal has a ribbon with the color of purple ribbon. On the obverse means from back side, front side. It has front side. Obverse means front side. It has the Indian national emblem at the center. At the center, the Indian national emblem is there on the front side of the medal. Surrounded by the 4 replicas of the Indra's Vajra. There were 4 replica of the Indra's Vajra also. On the reverse side, on the back side, the word Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. So the Paramveer Chakra, it is written on the back side of the medal with the 2 lotus flower in the language of Hindi as well as in English. So now we will see who had made the Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. Now question comes, who is Savitribai Khanolkar? So for the answer, let's read. So it is designed by the Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. So she was the European lady. She came from the Europe and she married to the Vikram Khanolkar, who was the Indian officer, military officer or army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She loved India, she liked so much India, and she decided to stay in India. For that she got the citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and tradition in depth. Not only she learned the Indian languages like Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, but also she learned the arts and tradition of India also in depth. So it was how the Paramveer Chakra was made. Now children, at the right side on page number 20, a small story is given. Let's see the story, then we will come to the conclusion. Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. So Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt is a kind of weapon, but it was matchless. There was no matching. It was very uncommon. It was a unique weapon. But what made the weapon invisible? Invincible means here impossible. Is the supreme sacrifice of this says Dadachi. It was, says means here wise man. So it was made, this Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt was the made with the sacrifice of, great sacrifice of the says Dadachi, wise man Dadachi. Now what was the story? Let's see. According to the legend, according to the ancient story, Thousands of years ago, it is a story from thousands of years ago. A demon means a devil man, a bad man, had stolen all the water in the world. What he had done, the demon, he stolen all the water in the world. People was suffering with the difficulties. They didn't have any kind of water to drink even for their daily lives. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. Even people were not only suffering but also they were dying due to lack of water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. So people tried to kill the demon by the ordinary weapon like the wood, like the different metals they used, but they didn't got any success in that. Something extraordinary was required. People knows that people knew that something extraordinary was required to kill the demon. It was learned that the sage Dadaji had bones of such extraordinary power. So people came to know that there is a man, Dadaji, whose bones are having the extraordinary ability, capability and power. But how could one ask for the bones of the living man? Children, asking for the bones to the living man who is living, who is spending his life, and we will tell we need your bone. So it will quite difficult to ask. So people were also facing the same difficulties to ask the bone to the living man Dadaji. Sage Dadaji was a noble person. He was very great man. He was the very noble person with the extraordinary quality person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. What the Dadaji has done? He himself said that I am ready to sacrifice my life. I am ready to give my bones to the welfare of the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolt, was fashioned from these bones and the demon was defeated. At last, with the bones, when the Dadaji had sacrificed his life and gave the bones, at that time the weapon was created, the weapon was made, and after that it was used to kill the demon, to kill the evil man. Just as the Indra Vajra derives power from Sage Dadaji's bone, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. So, how the bone gave the power to the weapon, in the same way our military are giving to our country, giving the power to our country to save the country. So children, if you will look the title, see, Paramveer Chakra are heroes. There are two parts, right? Paramveer Chakra, we had done this part in this video, and remaining part are heroes. This part we will complete in our next video. So wait for our next video, and children, do share, like and subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Thank you.